I don't like people who can't commit. I would say the idea of romance is someone who listens to me. I think like people who like act a certain way with you in private, but then in public they don't act the same way. I think that's also not nice.
Have you ever been in any relationship where you've compromised yourself?
We all have, na, a little bit been in those kind
You
of
talk about you,
relationships.
no? But why do you talk about
I'm sure.
everyone?
I mean, I've seen around that, people have been, and even I've been in a relationship. I have been in a relationship, I'm sure, where I have changed myself a lot, but not to the point कि इतना कुछ बुरा हुआ है. I've realized कि हाँ, okay, maybe I'm not being myself, so this isn't the best situation for me.
Then what have you changed about yourself when you were, and then in hindsight now you realize?
Maybe I'm like, I'll pretend like कि मुझे as small as कि हाँ मुझे ये movie देखनी है, and I only do what my partner likes in terms of I'll only eat this kind of food, I'll only go to these kind of places, I won't go out as much because my partner likes staying at home. So things like that.
So you've done that.
I've done that, but now I wouldn't ever. And I would want my partner to accept me as that, and I would accept my partner for whatever they are. I would say the idea of romance is someone who listens to me. Like अगर मैंने कुछ कहा था कि मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है, मुझे as small as कि मैंने एक ब्रेसलेट देखा और 2 महीने बाद my partner's like, oh I remember कि आपको ये पसंद था, so I got it for you. Or like for example मैं कुछ कह रही हूँ कि मेरे दिन में ये हुआ, and then they remember and they listen and they're like, अच्छा okay, उस मीटिंग के बारे में क्या हुआ, what happened with that. Remembering small things बहुत important है, and just listening. Sometimes मुझे हमेशा solution नहीं चाहिए. Sometimes I just need कि मेरा partner सुने मेरी बात, and you stick by what you said you would.
Yeah. That's
like,
how you win trust.
Yeah, like just by being honest. अगर गलती हो भी गई, but you're honest about it, for me that's important. मुझे, I don't want to find out something and not feel nice. I think just honesty for me is also very important.
Like, what do you think are the 3 red flags in a man?
Gaslighting, I would say. Disloyalty. And not even just in terms of like the big things, but even smaller things, like just like not acknowledging your partner in public. Like, I'm not saying that's cheating or something, but just not giving them that respect. So like disloyalty and disrespect. And another red flag would be ego. Like not being able to see your partner succeed. To find someone who can accept you for this job where you're in this public life and you're just like out there so much and you're,
Their ego comes in.
Yeah, and like they may not be able to see their partner like,
bigger than them.
And it doesn't necessarily have to be bigger than them. They could be excelling like in their own way or in their field and what they do. But our lives are just so hyped up and so public. Like everything just seems so much bigger. I don't like people who can't commit. And also I think like people who like act a certain way with you in private, but then in public they don't act the same way. I think that's also not nice.